Big story breaking. Supreme Court judges are reading out the Snoopgate verdict as we speak. The verdict is coming out as we speak. It is a 3-judge bench. Remember, of Chief Justice of India N.V. Ramana, Justice Surya Kant and Justice Hema Kohli. They've given out their verdict on the Pegasus probe, and we'll get more information in just about a bit. They've said our effort is to uphold the rule of law. The flashes on your screen. The Supreme Court judges are reading out the verdict, and we are updating what they're reading right there on your screens right now. The public has the right to privacy is what the CJI has said at the moment. The CJI has quoted George Orwell. Remember the author George Orwell. Present batch of petitions raise an Orwellian concern about using technology to see what you want to see. The court called upon to examine alleged abuse of technology. The Supreme Court says our effort is to uphold the rule of law. The court, conscious of not entering political thicket, protecting fundamental rights. Some of the petitions alleged to be direct victims of Pegasus attack. Allegation of inaction by the Union of India. The petitions are seeking independent investigation. Nuances of right to privacy and facts need to be discussed. That's the latest trickling in at the moment. They've said indiscriminate spying on individuals cannot be allowed. And the public has the right to privacy. Spying can affect the way individuals exercise their rights. That's the Supreme Court's verdict coming in. Spying can have a chilling effect on freedom of speech and role of press as watchdog. Potential chilling effect, remember, is what they're saying. The Supreme Court is saying there are grave allegations of infringement of rights of citizens. The court is compelled to take up the cause. Initially, the court was not satisfied by the petitions filed based entirely on news reports. That said, after they indicated their reservations, various other petitioners came forward and various other petitions got filed, including by persons directly affected. Petitions have brought on record material that cannot be set aside. This is huge. Anisha Mathur is joining us from the Supreme Court. Anisha, this is in a way, this is a defining moment coming in as far as right to privacy and fundamental rights of citizens in our country is concerned, as the Supreme Court reads out this particular verdict, and very strong words being used by the CJI. I'm throwing straight across to you in terms of what you make of it and what should be the takeaway from this particular verdict that has come out.
Well, Chaidit, it's a very, very important verdict today, as the Supreme Court notes that the centre has filed a very vague response. They have failed to give any specific explanations about what exactly has been happening. And one very important observation by the court is that it does the state cannot get free pass every time the spectre of national security is brought up. An expert committee to look into all of these allegations, headed by a retired Supreme Court judge, is being set up by the Apex Court now. This is a very, very important verdict, as the court has said that national security concerns